Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to stake on Eigenlayer. It's easy to begin staking or the staking process on Eigenlayer, but first of all, you need to make sure you set up your MetaMask account properly. So open up your MetaMask account, and once you've opened up your MetaMask, make sure you have some Ethereum tokens on your wallet. If you do not have any Ethereum token, click on the Ethereum option, click on the buy option, click on get started, and you could easily buy from a merchant depending on your region. So once you've been able to purchase some Ethereum using your card, next step is to click on the browser icon, and then you're logged on to the MetaMask browser. Paste the link which is going to be in the description of the video for the app.eigenlayer.xyz. So once Eigenlayer has opened up, click on the connect wallet option and select MetaMask. Your account will be shown. Click on connect. By doing this, you've successfully connected to the platform. Click on the sign option to sign a transaction. Click on approve. Now, in order to be able to stake or restake on Eigenlayer, you're going to need to have to create or manage your staking. So to do this, simply scroll down and select any of the staking options. That's the liquid staking options you wish to work with. Once you found one, click on manage stake and scroll down and you find that the deposits are paused. So a workaround for this is to make use of the website called EtherFi. So head over to your browser, open up a new tab, and simply paste the link again, which is in the description of the video for EtherFi. So once you've pasted the link, simply click on the connect wallet option. Select MetaMask as the wallet you wish to connect. Click on connect. Agree to their terms of use. And once you're connected to the platform, you could easily convert some of your Ethereum tokens into the EtherFi Ethereum. So guys, by making use of the EtherFi platform, you could easily convert your Ethereum into some liquid Ethereum. And this liquid Ethereum gives you a chance to gain some EtherFi loyalty points as well as Eigenlayer points. Because when you convert into the liquid Ethereum, your liquid Ethereum would then be staked on Eigenlayer from EtherFi. So you're putting yourself in position to earn an airdrop both from EtherFi and from Eigenlayer. So guys, that's how you can simply get it done. Enter an amount of Ethereum you wish to convert into the liquid Ethereum, and then it would be staked. As you can see, the minimum amount is 0.01 ETH. So your 1 Ethereum to 1 liquid ETH would then be staked on Eigenlayer, and you gain some Eigenlayer restaking points as well as EtherFi staking points. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.